What's going on, guys? It's Matthew here with Gadget University, and I'm so excited to finally get a chance to do this for you guys. I have a Bodyguardz protective skin carbon fiber design for the Motorola Xoom. As you can tell, my Xoom is about a month. I've had it since launch, and I still got the plastic on it from the back. And reason why is I did not want to get the back scratched up. The back of the Xoom has a sort of soft touch rubber coat over plastic, and it can scratch really easy. So I did not want, I've seen others who just kind of wear theirs around, they don't really do anything with it, and it gets scratched up. So due to that, I decided not to take the plastic off the back and the sides of my Xoom until I got some sort of case. Now, I am waiting for the OtterBox Defender case, which I will be reviewing for you guys as soon as it comes out. But in the interim, I want to put a skin on the back. Now, you're asking, why would I put a skin on the back if I'm going to get an OtterBox case? This skin is so thin, I would still be able to put the OtterBox Defender case on and not have any issues. So let's go ahead and get to the installation. I'm going to stop ranting on. But this is the this is the Bodyguardz carbon fiber armor skin for the Motorola Xoom. And installation is a breeze. You have many chances to mess up. You can redo it if you need to. First thing you want to do is you want to wipe down the back of your Xoom. Now, this does come with a screen protector. Also, it does cover the top and the sides. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. It comes in this cylindrical type attachment, and looks like you just kind of like a time capsule. You just kind of pull the top off, I think. Yeah, that's all you do. All right, so you pull the top off, and inside you have your skin. Now, you're going to get a couple things here. You're going to get a little rollout design telling you what you bought. You already obviously know that. Then you get like a treasure map of your stickers to place on the back. And as you see, it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piece design. You have your top, bottom, left and right, side, and then you got your back part. So let's go ahead and start off with just one piece. I'm going to do one piece on camera for you guys. I don't want to sit here and do the whole thing, but I want to show you guys how you put it on. And let's go ahead and get to that. So let's do this part. I want to do this part first. And like I did state in my review of the one for the Thunderbolt, these are very, very, very forgiving. So let me stand up. Make sure I get a good point of view on this. All you're going to do is basically line it up with the cutout part. That's the easiest way I find to do this. Okay, as you can see, I'm having a little trouble here lining it up perfectly. Right here is a little off, so I can pull it back up and try it again. Let me try to line it up based off that now. This one is not as precisely cut as the Thunderbolt one, but that's most likely due to the more complex layout of this. I'm not complaining, only because these things are so forgiving. You can pick them up and pull them back down, so you have a lot of flexibility with this. And as you can tell, I have this on basically flawlessly, and it looks great. That is just the top part. I do have some more pieces to put on, but I have put this on very well. Let's go ahead and give a close-up of what it looks like. As you see, it covers that part. It lines up pretty good. That part lines up. This part lines up. That part lines up. It's a little off there, but it's not covering any speaker holes. So I can't complain there. It's just not covering anything. And on the edge, you see it comes to a stop right there on the edge. So everything else looks good. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do this big giant back part. That should be really easy, right? Hopefully. There's only one thing to line it up on, and that's the Motorola logo. Okay. This smells like adhesive. So if you can't stand the smell of the adhesive, you might want to have someone else do this for you, because this stuff is strong. Oh, all right. I messed up. Since this part here is so thick and so huge, that's what she said, you have to lay it down properly before you even start to flatten it out. So I would recommend that you take your time and line it up right. And I'm not doing a very good job at practicing what I'm preaching. Like I stated, you know, I can talk all I want about how easy this is to install. You see how I'm having a little bit of trouble? With other skins like this, you would not be able to pull it up. So just keep that in mind. Okay, alright, I finally got it on here, guys, and I went on ahead and fast forwarded a little bit and did the top and the sides. So if you see, it does leave some areas exposed a little bit. It's not a complete cover, but it does add a lot of style to the device. Look in the bottom here. Cutouts are very, very precise. I do want to say this though, make sure that you do not pull and stretch whenever you're laying this down. You just want to let it fall. But, alright guys, I'm going to write some things up and take some high-res photos for you guys. Make sure you check out gadgetu.net and follow us on Twitter. And I will check you in my next video. Peace.